Hello everyone, Bridget Casey from Bridget Casey Designs here today for ScrapbookPal.com. Today we're looking at some wax melts and a wonderful wax spoon and a wax stamper. But let's start with the melts. So the first set we're going to look at is pearl. It's all pearl in this wonderful bucket. And as you can see, there are so many. It's 30 grams, but there are so many in there. These will stretch you. Wonderful. So this is all that glitters, and these are silver and gold. And I will refrain from singing here because I think I will scare people. And then we have Tuxedo, which are black and white. So there's that white that I was talking about. And you'll see as I make these wax seals, the difference between the pearl and the white. And there is another set too that I did not purchase. So here's the wax melting spoon. Looks very regal. And the wax stamper. Again, very, very regal looking. I love it, love it. I feel very official when I use these supplies, like I was back in the old days and doing this in my study, sending a secret note to somebody. So I'm going to use my heat tool, and I'm using 3 of the wax melts. I'm heating from the top, from the bottom, from the sides. I want to get a nice even heat, if that, hopefully that makes sense. I don't want to just heat in one location. So I'm making sure. So you just want to do it until you see that there are no solids. I would estimate about 30 seconds. I didn't time it, but about 30 seconds. So there, look at that cute little heart in the wax. Oh, it's so exciting. And I am cleaning out my little wax melting spoon in between. You'll see I have a little gadget coming up, a silicone spatula that is for the kitchen to clean out little jars, but works great here. So I'm tipping out the gold. So I put 3 of the gold melts, tipping that out. And then here comes my little special gadget that I do keep in my office. I don't put back in the kitchen. And so I got all the gold out. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Okay, so now we're going back and we're going to do silver. So I got 3. Oh, no. Sorry. I thought we were doing silver first. We're doing silver and gold. So when I do the duos, as I call them, I do 2 of each. So I do 2 gold, 2 silver, and it is so gorgeous. So I didn't think of it until I was doing the video editing, but where I have that little silicone tool, if you had something like a toothpick or something, and you could swirl it around before pouring it out, I think that would even add more of a marbled, kind of intermingled look of them. But this does a pretty good job. And, it's silicone, so it doesn't stick. So set that down, pull that up. Look how pretty that is. It's the gold running through that silver. Is just beautiful. Now I'm going to take 3 of the silver from the All That Glitters, and we'll get those all heated up. And I'm scraping it out in between while the wax is still hot. I'm scraping it out and making sure that I don't contaminate color to color. So again, heating from the top, from the sides, from the bottom. And then we're going to pour that out. Use my little tool there. Give me some assistance. And then I'll bring in the wax stamper and put that on. And beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh. Now, when it came to the tuxedo, I do have a regret. I wish I would have started with the white wax melts first, but that's okay. I started with the black ones first. It was okay. I just had to really clean it out because black is, of course, very dark color and white is not. So, here we go. And we're going to dump out. I found it was better to use the little guide. There's like a little cut that goes out that's set to help you pour. So that was better to use. And don't worry if you get strings, they come right off. As you can see, beautiful, beautiful seal. So I'm putting in the white wax melts first, now putting in 3 of them. And I do like having the heat tool with the little legs that it can kind of stand there for a second, do its own thing. And then, pick it up because I want to make sure I'm applying even heat here to them. I don't want to just heat from the bottom. So, and you'll see me tilt it back and forth a scotch. I just want to make sure there are no solids in there. I want to make sure it's all melted and gorgeous so I can get a wonderful wax stamp image. I'm going to put that down and then peel it up. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. And 3 seems to be the perfect amount. 4 works good if you're mixing colors, which now I'm doing 2 of the black and 2 of the white, which absolutely gorgeous. I think I had more fun mixing them and seeing what combos I could come up with. So I probably will get, there's another set that's got like Valentine-y colors, and I probably will get that because it's so much fun to just mix these colors together. So look at that come out. Oh, it's just so beautiful. And I love that they maintained their color and did not go gray. So I love that. They maintained their black and white color. So I thought on the last one, I would show you on an actual envelope. So I chose to mix the black from the Tuxedo and the gold from the All That Glitters to do black and gold and to put that on the back of a slimline envelope, which is a business envelope essentially. So I'm making sure this is all heated, and I love how it's split down the middle, but I knew it was going to move because I had to tilt it out, but still, oh, and as I turned the spoon a little, it kept drizzling that gold throughout the black, and it was just so pretty. Put the stamper down, and it really doesn't have to stay long because the wax cools, but look how gorgeous that is. Can you imagine getting that on an envelope? Just so pretty. So I hope you have enjoyed this little peek at these amazing wax melts, and I hope you can imagine what you're going to do when you get these into your crafty space and start thinking of the combos that you can make and the way you can mix and match all of these. So there's the pearl, and you can see the pearl and the white little difference. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss anything that's coming up at ScrapbookPal.com. Until next time, happy crafting.